A14A.
S, s, s. Z, z, z.
A14B.
S, s, s.
A14C.
Zoo, sue, zoo. Rise, rice, rise. Shave, save, shave. Thing, sing, thing.
A14D.
Sad. City. Science. Scream. Glasses. Concert. Lost. Bus. Place. Class. It's 6 or 7 years since Sydney's sister sang that song.
A15A.
Z, z, z.
A15B.
Sue, zoo, sue. Place, plays, place. Breathe, breeze, breathe. Beige, bays, beige.
A15C.
Zoo. Zero. Lazy. Easy. Scissors. Exact. Size. Wise. Times. Zebras in zoos are like dolphins in pools.
A16.
Alice's niece is nice.
Ah, nice, Sid. Plural. Her knees are nice.
I'm not talking about her knees. I'm talking about her niece.
Oh, I see. Niece with a C.
That's right. She has nice eyes.
How can ice be nice? It's too cold.
Not ice, you fool. Eyes. E-Y-E-S.
A17. Example.
You can have my tent. It's no use to me. I never use it.
1.
I'm not going to advise you. You never take my advice.
2.
Your tooth is loose. You'll lose it if you're not careful.
3.
The shop's very close to home, and it doesn't close till late.
4.
I can't excuse people who drop litter. There's no excuse for it.
A18. 1.
Price or prize.
I got a good prize for that painting.
2.
He sat or he's at.
I don't know where he's at.
3.
Suit or shoot.
They didn't suit him.
4.
Saved or shaved.
I've saved a lot in the past few days.
5.
Sink or think.
We didn't think.
6.
Closed or clothed.
They were clothed for the cold weather.